So this is my first time using oyster mushrooms, and I'm sorry I'm not gonna record the whole thing. It's just a lot going on. But I was trying to figure out like, do I use the bottom? I don't know. I cut it off. Interesting. It smells like, I don't know. Like, gosh, outside. I don't know. Really, I can't describe it. So I'm gonna make it into a pasta. I already made the pasta. Just gonna cover this. There it is. I didn't have the kind of pasta that I wanted, but these are spicy, definitely spicy. I forgot what they're called, but I don't know if this is gonna end up being too spicy because I ended up like touching that, forgetting I touched it, and then touching something else and putting like touching my mouth, and like now it's a little burning. So these are definitely a lot hotter than the jalapenos. So yeah, I'm just gonna cook this. I don't want to record the whole thing, but like I'll let you know. But this is I don't know. I'm trying King Oyster mushrooms. Yikes! Oh my gosh! Literally this is how I felt. It's giving me gross. I'm gonna cut that stuff off. It just is giving me gross. Sorry, censor me. This is take 3.
Take 3, okay.
So I already started eating, but this is how it turned out. And the garlic bread slaps.
Slaps, y'all. Like, it's so soft. It's like a cloud on your tongue. Y'all, these oyster mushrooms. I never had oyster mushrooms before.
Let's talk about the oyster mushrooms. Remember, guys, I said I was trying them out. Never have I ever. And what do you think they taste like?
They taste very like meaty. Like, it reminds me sort of like the fat, but not like fat. But it's like it has texture, like a meaty texture to it.
Okay, because people say it reminds them of seafood. And I thought I could see it as in like a scallop texture. Because that also is like fat.
I don't even
like something a little
had
slimy.
Scallops before. But yeah, this is definitely, I don't
like
it's
know,
very
but it
like,
does remind me of fat,
but it's like good, like it's like the good fat. It's like okay.
Like that's what the texture is, but then the taste
it's very
is
meaty
like,
though. It's very meaty.
Yeah,
I like it. Wow,
yeah, so this is what it turned out like, guys. Yummy.
Oh yeah, bro.
Maybe next time I'll give you guys a full tutorial.
So good.
Good morning, guys. So here are my beans. I left them soaking. They're just pinto beans. I just soaked them in hot water. I left them soaking overnight. So I'm going to start boiling them now. And it is currently around 9:14. And they take a while to boil. So I won't be cooking them until later. But here we are. Today, of course, I had some tea. This is now the cup empty. But I drank green tea this morning at 8:27. Alright guys, so this is how much water I put. It's a lot of water, as you can see. This is how I usually test water. I don't think there's that much of my fingers in there, but yeah, it's a lot of water, and I'm going to turn it on like there. I'm gonna put it all the way on 9, but I don't want it to be low, so like that. And yeah, I don't want it to be all the way high because I'm not going to be in here watching it, but I don't want it to be low because it's going to take 15 ever to cook, because it already takes like a few hours. So yeah, just put it as high as you can, really, so it doesn't bubble over, but because you're going to keep coming back in here and refilling the water. So yeah, it's 9:19, so we'll see how long this is going to take. Okay guys, this is my breakfast. Plum. Okay guys, so sorry I forgot to record this when I started, but I'm just making some breakfast potatoes, and I have added onion, jalapeno, green onion, so like green onion, jalapeno, and a little habanero spice, and then I put some seasoning in there like bell pepper and onion powder. And here are the beans. They're currently still cooking. I think I filled them up. We filled them with water like 3 times, maybe 4. And I would try to come at least in 30 to 40 minutes. 'Cause now it is 11. So I'm gonna put the seasoning in. I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm gonna put the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna put the seasoning in. And then I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm gonna put the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm gonna put the seasoning in. And then I'm gonna put the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm gonna put the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna put the seasoning in. And then I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm gonna put the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm gonna put the seasoning in. And then I'm gonna put the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm gonna put the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna put the seasoning in. And then I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm gonna put the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna put the seasoning in. And then I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm gonna put the jalapeno. And then I'm gonna put the seasoning in. And then I'm gonna put the onion powder. And then I'm g So these are basically done now. So I'm gonna continue letting them boil until like there's less water, and I'm gonna turn it down. So after that, I'm gonna turn them off and leave them here. Now this is my real vegetables because I'm starving right now. So I freeze my veggies. So this is spinach, and I just take it out and put it in here. Just like that. And I'm gonna put a little bit of water and put a lid on it to make sure the sugar and the protein and the spinach is done. Okay, so it's done. I ended up not adding the water. The spinach had enough moisture to do what I needed. So it's pretty good. Pretty good, right? Yum. Also, the beans are done. I just turned them off. So I'm just going to let them sit here for a little while, and I'll cook them later. Okay, so this is what we're about to do right now. I'm gonna make some cinnamon sugar toast, and this is what I'm gonna use. All right, guys. So I just buttered this. So I'm just gonna put the butter on here, but we're gonna put it on both sides. So it should look like beef. I got some sugar. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle it on here. Also, if I had brown sugar, I would probably be using that, or a mix of both. Or you can also mix the sugar and cinnamon in a bowl first and then sprinkle it. So, do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Okay, and then the final step, I just massage it in there, like just so it sticks to the butter in the bread and it doesn't fall off when you lift it up. And you can bake this, like just put it in the oven, but I'm just gonna use the pan since it's already done. Okay, so it's been cooking on one side. Yeah, it's so hot. I ripped up the bread. Can you taste that? I love this bread, the artisan bread. I think this one's called. The corners cooked too. Wow, it looks like it's gonna be yummy. Here's my cinnamon toast, and here are my breakfast potatoes. Hi guys, it's now 4:07, and I am currently eating these noodles. I kind of make them as my imitation of ramen noodles, because I just didn't buy a pack of ramen noodles. Ramen noodles, actually, the noodles themselves are vegan, but yeah, I just mix this stuff together. I'll show you guys how I do it one of these days, but it's just leftovers. But these jalapeno, this pepper, and habanero. Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna voice over. I just feel like whenever they talk to victims of sexual abuse, I feel like they should
Back and then contacting the victim several.
And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the final product. Meeting with rice, of course. Okay guys, so hashtag leftover makeover. Breakfast, I'm eating my breakfast potatoes from the other day. These beans I made last night with, some fresh veggies with the bagel. Probably put the avocado on the bagel, avocado toast, But I got my deli on the side just in case. It's strawberry preserve. Let's see. So this is what I ended up eating for dinner last night. It was from Golden Edition in East LA. So this is also what I'm going to be eating for my brunch. It's 2:30 right now. Yep. It was great. It's pineapple fried rice with fried tofu. So this is dinner, midnight dinner snack. It's 1:23, but I didn't eat dinner earlier. I only ate those leftovers earlier today, so I am gonna eat this, the side of this. But I'm going to actually, I took a bite of the bread because this bread is so yummy. And then I'm gonna have some barbecue chips on the side. Hey guys, so late start to the day, but here is what I'm eating for brunch. leftover makeover again. Just different combination. Sorry, this one has been pretty boring. We'll see what this is, but this is pretty much the portions I eat. Look, it's pretty much a lot. I don't know about finished all, but I'm watching pretty breaks, so I might finish it all. So I am making my vegan ramen noodles. So this is what I use. Green bell pepper, jalapeno. This is white onion today, and purple onion, a red onion, and this is some ginger. And I'm going to use some minced garlic and some lime. Now I don't have this much left, so I'm not gonna make that much. And I'm going to use the mixed veggies, the peas and carrots. Is that what I'm right? Yeah. All right. Let's get started. Oh, wow, it's getting too close. Okay, so it's cooking up nice and such. Yeah, so it's cooking up, and I'll put everything in there with the ginger. I'm just gonna add some seasoning, and then I'll add the frozen veggies. Okay, guys, so I have shrimp seasoned and added the garlic and the mixed veggies. Seasoned to it. So here we are, and now I'm going to add the water and then the meat. And we don't have to worry too much about these because they're going to cook while the pasta is boiling. Okay, so I have now added the water and the lime. And make sure you add your seasoning, whatever you want to get in there. You can taste the water and see if it's just how you do it. I'm not going to wait for it to boil. Cook, sorry, I was trying to read something, but you just let this cook, and you might need to add a little more water. I'll probably add a little more water because you want the noodles to boil probably like 10 minutes at least, and that's going to reduce the water a lot. So I'm probably just going to add a little more water, let it cook. Currently, I'm going to taste one of the little noodles and see if it's cooked. But this is just about how it should look, right? Just about done, baby. Alrighty, ready. It's done. This is pretty much it. I don't usually like this much sauce in here. But yeah, I'm gonna put some hot sauce on here, and I'm gonna take it down. I'm really gonna take it down. Vegan ramen noodles. 11:40. Today is Tuesday, and I am making some of my famous little mushrooms. Onions, I'm about to add some garlic, habanero, and the spicy green pepper, and then season. So I get it really good and caramelized before I add the mushrooms in. So now that it's good and caramelized, add the pepper right in there, and then you season with the mushrooms in there. Okay, so we're gonna do a simple kale. This is in the same pot. It was just frozen. So I'm gonna put it in here, season, add a teaspoon of water, and put the lid on it. Okay guys, so for brunch lunch today, I was feeling like I wanted something with some mayo in it. So I know it's a weird wanting thing, weird crazy. But I'm toasting the bagel, and I'm going to put these on here, and some mustard mayo, and since I don't have pickles, I'm gonna add a little bit of this relish. I want to see how that goes. It's my first time adding that. And these are, I think, some poblano peppers, and then green bell peppers, cucumber, purple onion, sweet onion, or white onion, it's white onion, and tomato. Yeah. Okay, little secret around me. I love bread. I wanted to take a bite of this, but then I was like, I don't want to have a little piece missing. So I just decided I was gonna eat the inside. So that's what I did. I didn't do that to this side. So we'll leave the stuff here. A little secret for breadheads out there.